Hey y'all, it's Natural Mystique here, back at it again with another one. So today's wig is a wig from, it's a wig, their quality line, wig 2020. The name of the wig is Katia, Katia, TT1B 53099J. So as you saw in the previous clip, this is the wig. She is a synthetic unit, okay? She's a full unit, so that means no lace, okay? And this beautiful red color. She has no combs whatsoever. This is the inside of her. No combs whatsoever, tag, but she does have adjustable straps. Like I said, she is synthetic. She does have a shine to her. So, put a little bit of baby hair on her. And I'll come back to you guys with how she looks on. Hey y'all, it's Natural Mystique here. Back at it again with another one. So today's wig, you guys have already seen the specs on it. This is the wig on. I love, love, love the color. Oh my goodness, look at that. That like reddish. It says it's 530 mixed with 99J, which I think is like a really, 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 really pretty color scheme. Perfect for summer. Perfect for, you know, you wanting to brighten your hair up, or you want to brighten your hair up or do something different with it. This is a perfect style for you. The only thing I guess about it would be the bangs for summertime. Might be a little too hot. But I love the cut. It's like a bob cut. Yeah. It's really, really soft. It's really easy to put on. It's a really easy bloop, plop and go wig. The only con I have with this wig is, let's see if I can make it, like right now it's fine. But you see over here, excuse me, ugh, that was nasty. You see how the wig is curling the opposite way? That's my only con for this wig. Like the back, the darker sections are like curling the opposite way. So it makes it a little awkward for when it's just, you know, when I'm just looking at you guys. But I really like the color. It makes me want to get more red units. I used to have a lot more red units, and now, I guess ever since I've been adulting, I don't wear them as much, but I forgot, like they're really pretty. Red is really pretty. It's a really pretty undertone, a different alternative. And it's not too out there. It's also very subtle. So would this wig be good for work? Probably not. Just, it depends on where you work. Again, my job, be perfectly normal. I'm sure like in a courtroom or in an office, maybe not so much. But I think it would be it's like a nice date night wig, definitely. Because, you know, depending on what the date is, it's off your neck, it's off your back, and it's cute. It frames your face. And it's a very easy to-go wig, like just to put on. Very good for errands, very good for like everyday wear. I would definitely recommend this wig. Sorry, I didn't mention, I do have one other con. The shininess of it. I'm sure you ladies and gents can see how shiny it is, which makes it look like a synthetic wig. It doesn't look like human hair. I thought I had baby powder. I don't have baby powder, but baby powder or dry shampoo. Oh, my posture, sorry. Baby powder or dry shampoo would easily fix it. It would easily fix that. But yeah, let me give you guys a 360 of this beautiful wig. All right, so here's the front. The side. The back. The other side. Yeah. I would rate this wig maybe a 7.5. The shininess, I think it's getting to me in the like awkwardness of the curls. But I can see a lot of people rocking this, women rocking this, because it's just easy every day. But yeah, if you guys like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.